We're deploying private 5G network outside to test robotics in an outdoor environment. Scotland has a lot of rural areas, so the idea is how can we get portable connectivity out into things like fields for farming applications.
We're deploying this portable private 5G network to enable our robotic platforms to connect to 5G, to then be able to go out in rural settings, scan fields and such like areas, and work in collaboration with other robotic platforms to perform specific tasks and essentially collect sensory data which can then be annotated.
The key benefits of a portable private 5G network is, well, surprisingly, mobility and dedication. By dedication, it is the network solely dedicated to the customer, where they need it, when they need it, and they're not in any contention with anybody else. The mobility, the portability, that's the piece that our industry needs to learn, because now our customers are outside the traditional areas. They're in areas where there is no coverage, so they'll need to bring a 5G network with them.
We have a lot of agricultural land in the UK. We have a lot of remote areas, particularly here in Scotland. And the very idea of portable and be able to take it somewhere, pop it up and take it down for various use cases will afford us efficiency, economy in the use without fixed infrastructure having to be used every single time.
Freshwave's expertise is in deploying connectivity and radio connectivity solutions in lots of unique situations, from office blocks to stadiums to portable 5G networks. We understand the requirements of the environment and we can dedicate a solution to that environment and to the customer's needs.
So the modem on spot communicates to the server inside the pop-up rack using the 5G network. The laptop that's used to access the server or to access Orbit is connected also through the 5G network, and the two of them are able to communicate together in order to be able to get the live data and the historical data from the robot and from the server.
Portable private 5G networks will bring huge benefit to industry across the UK and in particular Scotland. And I think if organisations ignore the use of those networks and 5G in particular, the UK as a whole will find itself at a competitive disadvantage because European countries and partners are adopting this technology.
We plan to use the portable private 5G network for a number of other projects. We'll build on what we're doing with this project, which is about robots communicating with robots in particularly signal-deprived areas. So how can we get them communicating together?
Working with Freshwave on this project has been a really great experience. Not only have they transitioned the turnaround very quickly in terms of getting the pop-up 5G network installed here at the National Roboterium, they've kept us up to date with weekly calls to keep us in the loop and ensure that we've got the successful install here at the National Roboterium.
With Freshwave, I think we've got an opportunity to develop the technology together. We'll find the use cases, particularly for robotics, which is going to be more prevalent in the UK economy and society going forward. And I think the idea of portable and making it more portable has got a lot of potential to add value to the UK.